Well, Blackie No Name is being a very good mother. I'm very impressed with her. She's still in chicken jail right now, and because she's black, that's important. Black chickens have got to be kept in chicken jail. They commit chicken crimes all the time, and well, unlike the rest of them, they get to run free. She's not allowed. But she's doing pretty good. She's doing good as a mom. So you guys are not supposed to be eating their food. Yeah, she's being good. And the babies are very nice. They're very tame. They're not afraid of people. Yeah, she's doing a good job. I'm impressed. She's got a little bit of mango and some cooked broccoli. I'm going to be letting her out. Why are you eating their food? I'll let them free range this weekend, see how that goes. When I'm around to be able to monitor them. If I can't monitor them, I'm not going to let them out. Oh, it's just a little guy. I know, it's not your mom. Go back there. All right, come on. So, yeah. Well, back to jail. Blackie No Name. Maybe you can be out on parole this weekend. We shall see.